small concept. So let's assume here is the one of the matter is there, otherwise we am taking the substance. So on this substance I am incidenting some of the heat energy I am incidenting on this one. Let's assume what will happen. So in the previous concept what we learned that the heat will be transferred from one body to other body in the three manners. We are taking this is the heat is transferring in the radiation manner. Radiation. So it is transferring like a radiation. So radiation means what is the definition of the radiation? To transfer the heat from hot body to cold body, it don't needed any intervening medium, and also it won't heat the intervening medium. So that's why heat is transferring from one body to body in the process of method of radiation. So in the method of in the transferring of heat in the radiation means it will transfer in the electromagnetic wave direction. So that means electric field as well as the magnetic field, it will both will be in the opposite direction. We will come across in the EM theory about this one. This will come in EM theory. So like that it will come electromagnetic wave. This is not our goal to discuss this one now. Let me assume the heat is transferring, energy is incidenting on the one of the object like a matter. So what will happen in this one means if it is the if it is going to absorb any heat energy means here how many processes can occur means first of all, if this surface is the highly smooth polished surface means definitely some part of the heat will reflect. Is it correct now? So what I am taking, it is the heat energy is incidenting on a matter or substance. So some part of the heat energy will be reflect from the substance. So it will happen reflect. Reflect will be takes place. So that is the reflect. Reflect will be take place. If this body is allowing the heat energy through this one means then some of the part of the heat energy can be transferred to this one. That is the transmittance. Transmittance will be takes place. Transmittance can be takes place. While if it is allow the heat energy, the matter is allowing to heat energy to allow them that then it will take place. Some of the portion of the heat energy will passes through them. That is named as the transmittance. So here is the transmittance will take place. Transmittance. Transmittance will take place. If some part of the heat energy, if the body is ready to absorb the heat energy means some portion of the heat energy can be stored in this body like a absorption of the heat energy. It is absorbed by the body. So some part of the heat energy may be absorbed by the body. So absorption will take place. Absorption will take place. So how many things are happening here means we are inserting a Qi. I means Qi of the energy of heat energy. We are inserting with amount of Qim or amount of heat energy. Some portion of the heat energy is reflecting. We are taking the Q of T. T means T means R. Q of R. So some portion of the heat energy is reflected by the matter. It is named as the QR. Some portion of the heat energy is absorbed by the matter. So it is absorbed by the matter. It is named as the QA. Let's assume like this. Some portion of the heat energy is absorbed by the transmitted by the body. So it is named as the Q or transmittance T. Like that we are taking. So what does it mean? What does it mean by absorption of the body? What does it mean transmittance of the heat energy of the body? What does it mean reflectance means? We will discuss one by one. Let me start with absorption. So I am starting with absorption. Where it is? Okay, let me start with absorption. So here I am taking the absorption. So the first point I am concentrating. What is mean by absorption? So absorption is nothing but it is what is happening. Some energy is absorbing by the matter, by the object. That is means it is nothing but it is a process. So it is a process. Where in the process what is happening, some portion of the heat energy will absorb by the matter. So some part of the heat energy, some part of the energy will absorb will absorb by the matter or by the substance or by the matter. So this is named as the heat energy. One thing you need to know in the absorption phenomena. So let's assume I am taking this is the object while it is incident on that one. So I am giving the heat energy to the system. So that means the system energy will be increases. So in this process what will happen? The energy of the system will be increases. So that means what will happen if the heat energy of the system is increases, then what must be the degree of heat energy is named as the one parameter. What is that parameter? Temperature. Hello. So the temperature of the body, what will happen? It must be increases. The temperature of the body must be increases. So are you getting or not? What are going on in this absorption? Some portion of the heat energy will be absorbed by the matter or substance. While it is absorbing the heat energy, then it will increase the total energy of the matter or system. It will increases. While if the total energy of the system is increases, then it must be increasing the temperature. So what is the phenomena we are observing? While if the absorption takes place in the body, definitely some of the temperature will rises by the body or matter. That is the phenomena. So if we are incidenting, now I am taking the one or two object. Let's assume here is the one of the substance is there, another one I am keeping the one more substance is there. So if I am keeping it is the, let's assume I kept in this one on the sunlight. So let's assume it is the black shaded plate, it is the white shaded plate is there. Let's assume the sunlight is coming on the black shaded plate is falling, and the sunlight is falling on the white coated plate is shading. Let's assume it is the black coated plate, it is the white coated plate. Let's assume like this. So after t time, let's assume I am taking t is equal to 30 seconds. So which body will rises its temperature? The surface of the which plate? Black plate will rises. Black plate will rises. It is the general normal. You can do this experiment with help of this experiment. You can easily find out. But it is not our goal. That means these two bodies are having the same area of cross section. This body and this body having the area of cross section is same. But the temperature also we taken the same. The incidenting radiation also same, because of we are incidenting Q also same, Qi also same. But this body temperature is higher compared to this body temperature is the lowest, because of what we means this body is absorbed more heat energy, this body is white body is absorbed less heat energy in the given interval of time. So that means one of the physical quantity is coming to the picture, some of the physical quantity is explaining here. If that quantity is more, then the ability of the absorption of the heat energy will be more. Are you getting or not? Hello. What I mean to say means one of the physical quantity is coming to the picture. If that physical quantity is more, then that body will have the ability to absorb the more heat energy in the same interval of time. Are you getting or not? I hope once again I am repeating by same word. So what I mean to say, see, we are giving the same area of cross section, we are giving the same time, we are incidenting the same heat energy, but body 1, black coated body is getting the more heat energy, body 2, which is having the white coated color body is getting the low small heat energy. That means it is there, one of the physical quantity is there. So that physical quantity can be explained how the body is ability to absorb the heat energy in the same interval of time. So that physical quantity can be named as the absorptive power. So now I am taking the absorptive power. So absorptive power is nothing but, let me write the fundamental mathematical formula. It is denoted with the symbol of A, small a. Absorptive power A is nothing but, so the Q absorption, total how much amount of heat energy absorbed by the body, how much heat energy incident on the body. So this will explain This will explain how much it will tells the absorptive power of the body. A will absorptive power of the body. So how can we define? So QA is equal to energy of absorbed, heat energy absorbed by the body, absorbed by the body divided by QA is over. So QA is over. What about QI? I means incidenting. Heat energy incident on the body. Heat energy incident on the body. So if E on the body, what does mean? If A is more means more absorption will value will come. If A will less means more absorbing power is less. Why? That means what does mean here? The physical quantity, in this physical quantity the absorbing power is A is more, which is the body is coated with the black color. If the white color, the absorbing power is less, that's why this white color plate is having least temperature, very low temperature as compared to the black color coated plate. That means if the body will tells that in the same given interval of time the body will more energy will absorb by the body. That's why we are taking. So you will feel that in winter season our mummy and daddy will tells that better to use very dark color clothes. It is very comfortable for us. In summer season they will tells that try to use white color cloths. They will suggest us, because it is there in that one, there is the physics is there, because of the black color coating will having the more absorptive power. It is having more in the black color coated plates. So if we take the white color, let's assume it is the black. So if we take the white color, means the white color having the absorptive power is the less. In winter season, what is there? Winter season total surroundings will the temperature will be very less. That's why we needed more heat energy in the body. That's why the black color cloth will, if you wear the black color cloth, means these will absorb the more heat energy from the surrounding and keep the body in the warmer. So if summer season means summer season, A is a very less. The cloth which we wear, that cloth will not allow to absorb the more heat energy from the surroundings. That's why already surrounding temperature more, so more it won't allow into the body. That's why our body will get the very cooler as compared to in the summer season. So white color cloth should wear in the summer season, and black color cloth should wear in the winter season. In this one there is the physics is there. That's why we need to use this one. So what is the phenomena? These color bodies will having the more absorptive power, these color bodies will having the less absorptive power. Even though the two bodies having the same color also, depending upon the material property, nature of the material, the absorptive power will be differ. So the absorptive power will depends in the several parameters. Let me write one by one. First parameter, it will depends upon the wavelength of the incident radiation, wavelength of the incident radiation. So some of the radiations will be absorbed by the body, and some of the wavelength will be absorbed by the another body. So the another type of body, another one, it is the depends upon the nature of the surface of the body. It depends upon the nature of the surface of the body. The third point will depends upon, it will depends upon the area of the surface of the body. Area of the surface of the body. That means if more surface area is there, it can absorb the more heat energy into that one. So that is the body. So these are the basic parameters which can depends to absorb the heat energy. That is it will depends on the absorptive values in the body. That is the depending upon this one. Now we are going to another one. I already told you it depends upon the wavelength of the body. If we are doing the experiment with particular one single wavelength, that means that type of absorption, will name it as a spectral absorptive power. Now in the case 1 we are discussing spectral spectral absorptive power. Absorptive power. So absorptive power, how I can define? A is nothing but Q of absorption of the, how much heat energy absorbed by the body, how much heat energy incident on the body. This is the absorptive power of the body. But we are taking spectral absorptive power of the body. That means what is the absorptive power of the body and a particular wavelength. That means we are discussing these absorptive at a red color or green color, like that we are discussing. That means this is nothing but it is the absorptive power of the body and a particular wavelength, that is the QA, energy of the absorption, QI, energy of the incident on a particular wavelength. This is the named as the spectral absorptive power of the body. So this is the these can be defined only for particular wavelength. So if we take, we will look on that one in the visible in the taking the visible radiation. It will consisting of a broad spectrum. So the spectrum is a 400 angstrom unit to nearly it will having the 800 by angstrom unit. So I am taking just only 400 nanometers. I hope 400 nanometer. Yes, 400 nanometer to 800 nanometer spectral region is the existing. So that means if we take these wavelength, how much absorptive power is there? This is the visible light, which is the light is coming from the sunlight. This is the, how much total absorptive power is there, means we need to integrate the same absorptive power in each and every individual absorptive power. For then we need to summation, that is nothing but integration we need to take. Total absorptive power of the body in a particular region means lambda 1 to lambda 2. It may be 400 angstrom unit to 800 angstrom unit, lambda 1 to lambda 2. The absorptive power of the spectral absorptive power of A lambda into D lambda. This is only mathematical equation. So up to PUC 1 level we don't having any problem regarding this. We have the problems regarding like this also. In the previous manner, just AQI by QA by QA is there na? In that one also we have the problems, but we don't have the problems regarding this is the total absorbing power of the body which is having in the particular wavelength region. So lambda 1 to lambda 2, this is maybe lambda 1, this may be lambda 2, or any given values is the lambda 1 by lambda 1 to lambda 2. So one more important point I need to introduce here. So absorptive power is okay. Now if I am taking the sum of the portion of the body is transmitted to the body. Let's assume it is the transmittance body. If the heat energy is transmitting to the body, we are incidenting here a QI, amount of heat energy we incidenting. In this one, some portion is absorbed by the body, some remaining portion is some of the portion is coming out to body. It is the QT. QT means the amount of heat energy is transmitted through the body. So what is mean by transmittance? What is mean by transmittance or transmittivity of the body? Now we are going to the second one, transmittance. Transmittance, or we can simply name it as the transmittivity of the body. So it is a depend with the label of the small t. Small t will define. Let me write the mathematical formula. So the transmittance or transmittivity, it will denoted with a small t is equal to, in the similar manner, the how much amount of heat energy is transmitted through the body divided by how much amount of heat energy is incidenting on the body. So we are discussing on the radiation now, how much amount of energy is transmitted to the body, and it is the ratio of amount of heat energy transmitted to the body and amount of heat energy incidenting on the body. So let me introduce here, QT is equal to amount of heat energy, which is transmitted to which is transmitted through the body, through the body. Now in the same manner, QI is equal to which is incidenting on the body, which is incident on the body. Same formula. So the same value will come in the final. You need to get which is incident on the body. incident on the body. So will you please look on this one, absorptive power and transmittance transmittivity. So both are having the both are having the units. So will you please look on this one, absorptive power. Let me write the absorptive power. A is equal to, what is the formula? QA divided by QI. So this is the absorptive power formula. What is the transmittance formula? K is equal to QT divided by QI. So this is the transmittance formula. So will you please look on this one? Let me come to the one more is there. After that I will come across and then I explain once again. Now if some portion will transmittance means some portion can be have the possibility to reflect from this surface also. It is a reflecting, some portion will be reflect from the surface. So that means there is a possibility to reflectivity also is there. What is the reflectivity formula means? R, it will denoted with the reflectivity. Let me write the reflectivity is equal to reflectivity R, small r is equal to, so that's why I am writing the QR divided by Q incident. What is mean by QR? The amount of heat energy which is reflected from the body, and QI, amount of heat energy which is incident on the body. So that is it is the ratio of heat energy reflected, the heat energy reflected by the body. Let me write here, QR is equal to, what is mean by QR? Heat energy reflected by the body, and QI means heat energy incident on the body. So that means what it means? It is the ratio of how much amount of heat energy reflected by the body and how much amount of heat energy incidenting on the body. But let me write all formulas in one particular equation. So let me see this one. A is equal to QA divided by QI, and transmittance T is equal to QT divided by QI, and R, small r is equal to QR divided by QI. These are it is the absorptivity, it is the transmittivity and reflectivity. These are the units. Will you please look on this one? Sorry, units not. This is the mathematical formula. So will you please look on this one? It is the energy. This is the energy. Energy by energy, there is no units. Energy by energy, no units. Energy by energy, no units. That means absorptivity, transmittivity, reflectivity, they will don't have any units. So A comma T comma R, they don't have any units, no units. And will you please look on this one, whether they may have the without units also, they may have the dimensional formula. They will have the dimensional formula. So same energy dimensional formula divided by energy dimensional formula, all will cancel. That means A comma T comma R, they don't have the dimensional quantity. So they are the dimensional less quantities. Dimensional less quantities. So this is the quantities. So that means they are the just ratios. So ratios, they won't have the any dimensional values. Let me introduce one of the important topic. After that I will go to the another one topic. So let me introduce that one. If one of the physical properties, if the body is if the radiation is incidenting QI, incidenting radiation is incidenting on the body, so this body is absorbed some amount of heat energy, QA amount of heat energy is absorbed by the body. So you already very familiar in the Bohr's model. What does it means absorbing by the body? So it is nothing but while the heat energy absorbed by the body, so in the electrons, the energy levels of the electron, let's assume it is the energy levels of the electron, it is the ground state, it is the first excited state, let's assume it is the second excited state, it is the third excited state. TES means the third excited state, first excited, second excited state, ground state. GS means ground state. So initially the electron will having in the ground state. So while it is energy is absorbed by the some type of the energy, here is the radiation is energy is coming, radiation energy is incidenting on the body, then it will absorb by the body, then what will happen, it will excite to the another energy level. If it is energy is suitable to the first excited state, this electron will go to the first energy level. So if it is the energy is incidenting energy is the well suitable to the energy gap between the ground state to the second excited state, it will go to the second excited state. So how much energy, let's assume this gap is equal to 10 joule, this gap is equal to 20 joule, this gap is equal to 30 joule. Let's assume if I am incidenting 30 joule means this electron is more suitable to go to the third excited state. Third excited state, it can go 30 joule energy level, it will go. What will happen, there is the one important rule is there, that if the electron is goes to the higher excited state level, it won't stay in more longer time, it will come down to the original state on the 10 to the power of minus 80 seconds, it will come down to its original state. So while absorbing the energy is transferred to the higher energy level, so while it is coming, what will happen, while it is energy is absorbed by the body, this energy is utilized, it will go to the higher energy level, but it is coming down, what will happen, so when it is coming down, the same energy will be comes out from the body. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that means it is named as the emission. It is named as, so absorption means energy is absorbed by the body, temperature will rises by the body. Emission means emission is nothing but energy is released by the body. While energy is releasing by the body, temperature must be decreases. Yes, the temperature must be decreases by the body. So that is we are going to the another one, emission. Now we are going to the emission. So now the another separate topic is there, emission. Emission is nothing but, what does it mean? Emission in this process, it is the process where the energy of the system will be emitted by the system. So the energy in this process, what will happen in this process? Energy will be emitted. Energy will be emitted from the body. Are you getting that or not? So that means the energy will be emitted. Please take care about this one. It is not a reflection. Reflection means what will happen? So while the incidenting that one, the same place the reflection will take place. QI, QT will take place. But the emission, what is happening?
Reflect.
Is it reflector or is it another process of the another physical phenomena? It is another type of physical phenomena. What is happening in this plant? Excited level electron is coming to down to the ground state. In the reflection, there is no any absorption of the body. Just it is incidenting on that one. On the outer surface itself, it is reflecting by the body. Are you getting or not? Hello. See what I am taking. So if I am taking the mirror, I am incidenting on the light. It is not entering into that directly. It is directly. It is no. Wait, 1 minute, one. Sir, class lo man, sir. Below PUC one. Thank you, sir. దాంట్లో ఉందా తెలియదే నాకు. సరే సార్ వస్తాను సార్, ఇది అయిపోయింది, కట్ చేసి వచ్చేస్తాను. 20 minutesలో వచ్చేస్తాను. ఓకే సార్. Yes, see what is happening. Let's assume I am taking the mirror. So the incidenting of the radiation. So radiation is incidenting on the body. After that, it is directly reflecting. It is not allowing to enter into the body. On the outer surface itself, it is coming. It is reflecting into another direction. But it is emission means the energy is enter into the body. After some time, the same energy in the some part of the energy is coming out due to the energy. Electron is coming to the excited state to down state. That is the emission. Emission means the absorbing energy is releasing by the body. So the energy is entered into the system. After some time, it is releasing. Are you getting or not? Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
please don't confuse here. Emission and reflection both are completely different. Please don't confuse in this one. In the reflection, energy will not be enter into the system. They won't absorb by the system or substance or matter. So but in the emission, energy will be absorbed initially. After some time, some portion of energy will comes out from the body because of the higher excited electron will come down to its ground state. According to the Bohr's model, Bohr's theory, what will tell? If the electron is coming from the excited state to ground state, the same portion of how much energy gap is having in between them, same energy will be emitted from the body. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is the emission is the completely different. Please note it down this one. So now I am going to the another topic. So this continuation topic. So emission power will also, it will depend what will happen at the time of emission process is done. The temperature of the body must be decreases. The temperature of the body must be decreases. So must be decreases so if the temperature of the body must be decreases means so the energy will be comes out from the body, so that due to the energy is coming out, the temperature will be decreases. So what are the parameters will affect on the emission radiation means it depends upon the wavelength of the body, wavelength, how much wavelength is coming, and also nature of the body, nature of the body, and the temperature of the body, how much temperature of the body is having. If the more temperature is there, more emission radiation will come. If the less temperature is there, less radiation will come. And if you go to the another one, it is the surface area of the body, surface area of the body. Please look on this one. If the surface area is increasing, more emission radiation will come out. In the same physical phenomena they are using in your coffee shop also. Will you please look on in the coffee shop who are taking the coffee, they have the physics knowledge also. If you look on this one, they will take the coffee on the saucer itself. So saucer means it will having the more area. Are you getting or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If more area means what will happen? More emission, higher energy electrons will come down, more energy will come out from the more surface area is there, more energy will come down. If the more energy is coming out, more temperature will decrease, then coffee will come down to the room temperature very rapidly. So if the cup means the surface area is the cup is very less as compared to the saucer. So if the surface area increases, then it will come to the emissivity power also is more. So the emission also will be more. So that is very important. Now the temperature also very important. If the higher temperature, more energy, more emission will takes place. In the smaller temperature, this one very low temperature, less emission energy will takes place. That is the very important. And in the similar manner, if we are taking the two comparison bodies, now I am taking, here is the one body is there up temperature T1, here is the one body is there at the same temperature of the T1. So the area of cross section is same, but this body is, let me take it the body 1, let me take it the body 2. So now I am taking the how much emission energy is coming out from the body. So let's assume this much energy is coming out from the body Q. Let's assume I am taking Q of energy is coming out from the body. So here also some of the portion of the body is coming out Q1. Here is the some portion of the body is coming out Q2. But to compare this one, which one having the more emissive power, we need any one of the reference object. Are you getting or not? In the previous case, to explain the absorptive power means A means is nothing but Q of absorption divided by Q of incident. We don't need any reference object. But here is the two objects are having the same temperature. two objects are having the same area of cross section, two objects are releasing by themselves some portion of the energy Qi is releasing first body, some portion of energy is releasing to the second body Q2. But how can we compare these two body? Which one having the more emissive power? Which one having the more less emissive power? Means we need to consider one of the body. It is named as a reference body. It named as the black body. I will come to this explanation also. What is meant by black body also I will explain. So they will define what is the emissive power of the body with the reference of the one of the ideal body, that is the black body. How can you define this one? Means let me explain how can you define emissive power. How can you define the emissive power of the black body? Let me write the emissive power or emissive power of the body. After that I will introduce the emissivity. I will introduce. First I will introduce the emissive power of the body. Let me introduce the emissive power of the body. How can we define emissive power of the body? Means it is nothing but, let me introduce only E. E is the emissive power of the body. It will denoted with the symbol of E. So it will nothing but del 1 by A into dq by dt. So dq is nothing but how much amount of heat energy comes out from the body. How much amount of heat energy comes out from the body. Now area is equal to area of cross section of the body. T means time of the body. Now E can be equal to the dq. Let me write what is meant by dq. Amount of heat energy. Energy coming out from the body, comes out from the body. So dt means time. I am taking the time. A means area of cross section, where A means area of cross section. So what does it means? Emissive power means I can write directly dq. That means the amount of heat energy comes out from the body. E is equal to dq when time must be unit time. Area of cross section of the nothing but unit area of cross section. Then only E must be equal to the dq. How can you define? It is nothing but emissive power of the body is nothing but it is the amount of heat energy which comes out from the body, where the body is having unit area of cross section in unit time. Are you getting or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So let me write the definition. It is the emissive power. E is equal to, it is the amount of heat energy. It is the amount of heat energy. Heat energy where it is coming? Comes out from the body. Where it is having in unit time, comes out the body which has unit area of cross section. Area of cross section in unit time. So that is named as the in unit time. So that is named as the emissive power of the body. So that means if same objects are having the same area of cross section, if the more energy is coming out by the body, that body is having the more emissive power. Then emissive power I will introduce. Now I will go to the emissivity. Then I need to the black body. What is mean by emissivity? Let me introduce emissivity. So emissivity is another physical quantity which is denoted with the epsilon. Epsilon symbol it is there. We will define with the emissivity. Epsilon. So epsilon, let me write the mathematical formula. Epsilon is nothing but it is the emissive power of the body and the emissive power of the black body at the same temperature. So epsilon is nothing but emissive power of the body, our normal body. If the two bodies are there, already I told you. Now I am taking at the temperature T1, at the temperature is the T2. This body is the emissive power is the E1. This body emissive power is the E2. Now, sorry, E1. Na? I need to write E. Na? E. So now this emissive power of the body, the black body is having capital E, which having the more emissivity means. So we need to take the ratio of this one, E1 by E, E2 by E, then which one having the more value, that body is having the more emissivity power. So how can we define? E is the emissive power of the body, capital E is the emissive power of the black body. So now let me introduce this one. E is the emissive power of the body, at a temperature. Capital E is nothing but emissive power of the black body. We are introducing another one, black body at a same temperature. Then if you take the ratio of this one, then it will get the emissivity of the body. It will denote with the epsilon. So epsilon is there any physical units are there for epsilon? Epsilon is the emissivity, that is equal to emissive power of the body, emissive power of the black body. So same units, it don't having the no units will having. So dimensionless quantity this one. Now what about the emission? Emission power units. Emissive power units. What is mean by emissive power units? Emissive means we will denote it with the E. E is equal to what I written? The amount of heat energy which is comes out to a unit area of cross section in unit time. So can I write this formula like this one? 1 by A into Q by T. So both are same. It is a small amount of energy is coming out. I written as a dQ. It is a small amount of temperature, small time we utilize. That's why I used a T. So what is the units of for the emissive power units? This is the very important for you. So what is the units of Q? Units of Q is equal to joule energy. What is the area units? Area units is equal to meter square. What is the time units? Second. So joule per meter square, second inverse is the 1 unit. Otherwise joule by second is the one particular unit is there. What is that one?
Watt.
Watt per meter square. So this is the units of emissive power of the body. So if what I mean, emissive is the particular process. It won't interact. So it won't interact while it is while incidenting radiation. That emissive power will takes place due to the internal forces only. But we are not considering this one in the incidenting heat radiation. Let me introduce. This is the body. Heat is incidenting on this one, QI heat is incidenting. What is the process will takes place? Some portion will transmit, QT will transmit. Some portion will reflect, QT will reflect. Some portion will absorb, QA will absorb. So that means we are inserting the amount of heat energy. Let me take Q itself. I am taking Q is equal to total incident radiation. Then the amount of heat energy Q is equal to, it must be summation of these three processes. That means Q of absorption plus Q of reflect. I need to write here R. Q of reflection plus Q of what is that one? Third one, transmittance. It is the energy which is transmitted to the body, energy which is absorbed by the body, energy which is reflected by the body. That is the Q is equal to how much energy incidenting on the body. Are you getting or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So then I am dividing this equation completely with Q. So I am dividing this equation. So Q by Q is equal to QA by Q plus QR by Q plus QT by Q. This is the formula. So Q by Q is equal to 1. QA by Q is equal to, we already know that one. What is this meant by QA by Q is nothing but QA by QI. I written here QI is equal to Q only. What is this one?
Absorption.
Absorptivity or absorption? Absorptivity A. So that is equal to A plus QR by A or QI?
Reflectivity.
Reflectivity R. What about the Q2 by T?
Transmittivity.
Transmittivity. So that is equal. That means. So then, what is that means? So the absorptivity plus reflectivity and emissivity, they will show that the summation of these three values will give the value for 1. They will give the 1. They will produce the 1. They will give the value 1. So that means it is very very important. We will use this formula in the application of the while solving the problem. A plus R plus T must be equal to 1. Please note it down this one. We will use this one. Now let me, if the body is completely reflecting, nothing is entering into the body. Let's assume I am taking the one of the mirror like this. How much heat is incidenting in that one? Complete is reflecting in another direction. So what about this one? So completely Q is incidenting, same amount of QR is incidenting. Then tell me what is the reflectivity value? QR is equal to, I am taking QI. QI is incident. What is the reflectivity value? R is equal to
1.
1. So when 1 R is equal to 1 means what about the A and R, A and T?
0, sir.
A must be 0, T must be 0. Then what is that means? If the body is 100% reflecting material, then the absorptivity and transmittivity of the body must be equal to 0. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So then I am going to the another one. In the similar manner, if R is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, transmittivity is equal to 0, then R must be equal to, A must be equal to 0 and also T must be equal to 0. Reflectivity is the first one is over. If A is equal to 1, then R is equal to 0, T is equal to 0. If T is equal to 1, R is equal to 0 and A is equal to 0. See, it is a 100% reflecting material, it is a 100% absorbing material, it is 100% transmitting material. So these are the example. These are the examples. So it is the black side coated mirror we can take. It is the without coating mirror. All 100% allowing mirror is there. It is absorbing. It will take any liquid like this. 100% absorption. Heat energy is taking like this. These are the very very important. We will use in our problem. Let me go to the one small word I introduce. Black body I introduce. I will told you, I will explain later. So what is mean by black body? So black body, what does it means by black body? So why the name is coming to the black body? So why what is the main agenda of the black body? So they are given the name of the black body. So you feel that the black color will coated on the body. That's why it is the name of the names comes to as a black body. It is not like that. So what does means? See, if one of the body we are assuming that is the ideal body. If we are incidenting on the red color, this body, nothing is coming out from the body. 100% red color will absorbed by the body. If I am incidenting on the yellow color, nothing is coming out from the body. 100% is absorbed. If I am incidenting on the green color, nothing is coming. 100% green color is absorbed by the body. So I am taking that all wavelength. If you are incidenting any type of wavelength, it will absorb 100%. So if the complete color is absorbing the body will look like a black color. It won't appear any color. So it will appear with black color. So that means this body is appearing, even you are incidenting the red color, even you are incidenting the green color, you are incidenting the yellow color, every color, this body color will appears in the black color itself because of it is absorbing 100%. So nothing is leaving from this one. So it is absorbing by all type of wavelength. That's why it is coming on the black body. Now define the black body means the body which can absorb all wavelength of the radiation. That body is named as the black body. Let me write the definition. If the body which can absorb which can absorb all wavelengths of radiation, radiation which is incidenting on it, incident on it is named as the black body. So the black body, the black body will appears always in the black color because of so it is absorbing the 100% absorbance is there. If the absorbing power of the black body is 100%, how much amount of heat energy, how much amount of radiation we are incidenting on the body, that completely absorbed, nothing will escape, 100% will absorb by the body. That's why it is appearing with the body. While it is absorbing is okay, no issue. While it is absorbing means that the temperature of the body must be increases, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So the body will temperature will be must be increases. So now I am incidented some of the radiation of the heat energy. The temperature of the body will be rises. Now my question is what happened if the black body is at some temperature? If I am heating this black body, let's assume this body is I am heating this black body with some of energy. What will happen means with respect to the temperature, the body will radiate with a wavelength. So if you are giving the sum of the heat energy with respect to the same heat energy, the body will radiate the one type of wavelength. If I am increasing the some more heat energy, the wavelength also will be changes depending upon the temperature. That means the black body will also emits the radiation depending upon the temperature of the body. It is a very very important. It will emits the all wavelengths by heating the body. Very very important this one. Don't confuse this one. Black body will absorb while incidenting, black body will emits while heating. That is the very very important. At the time of incident itself, black body won't emit the radiation. It is the two different process. Are you getting that or not? Hello.
Sir, Malli, sir.
So let me introduce. Don't confuse here. What I told you, this body will absorb while you are incidenting on this one. So if you are incidenting, it will completely absorb. Nothing will escape. Everything is stored in this one. But this process is somewhat different. But the black body is heated up. So now we are heating this black body. Now it is ready to release this same radiation. If the temperature meets some to a certain wavelength, then same respective wavelength of the heat energy will comes out in the form of radiation. So you don't confuse. While it is absorbing at the same time only radiation will take place. It is the wrong assumption. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, what I told, once again I am repeating. So the black body will absorb all the radiations wavelengths while they are incidenting on the black body. That is the one process is completed. Black body will emits while the body will rise the temperature by heating. If the body is rise the temperature by heating, then it is ready to release the all wavelengths. If the temperature is the 30 degrees Celsius, then one type of wavelength will come. If the temperature is the 50 degrees Celsius, then another type of wavelength will come. If the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, is another type of wavelength will come. Lambda 3 will come. That is the depending upon the temperature which is giving to the black body, the same type of wavelength, the respective wavelength will emit by the body. So that is the very very important. So take it as that one. Now once again I will take that one. So black body is absorbing 100% of radiation which is incidentating at that one. Means what is the absorptivity power of the black body? A question mark.
1, sir.
Yes, that is the black body absorptive power of the body is 1. If the absorptive power is the 1 means what is the emissive, sorry, what is the transmittance value, what is the reflectance value?
0, sir.
0, 0, 0. So that is the one. So the black body will transmittance power of the body and reflectivity of the black body must be equal to 0, because of it is 100% absorbing power of the body. If how much amount of radiation you will incident on the body, completely absorbed, all type of wavelength it will be absorbed by the body. Now if the black body is having the 100% of absorbability, what is the emissivity of the body? Emissivity, emissivity, what is the formula? Emissivity, epsilon is equal to, tell me, emissivity, emission of the body divided by, so emission of the body, emission of the, it is the ratio of the emission of the body and it is the ratio of the emission of the black body. We are already defining with respect to the same black body only. What will this value? So let me write. So let me write. See, E is should be defined with black body. E should be defined with black body. Emissivity, E should be black body means I already taking the capital E is equal to emissivity of the black body. So E black body is equal to capital E itself. So if you do this same one, that is all capital E by capital E only. Capital E will cancel. 1, emissivity of the body, black body will be getting the 1. That is the perfectly black body only. These values will get the perfectly black bodies only. They won't get all type. But one small problem is there. There is no 100% black body in the nature. So we don't having the, we not identified the 100% black body which is having in the nature. We did not recognize that one. So but we are taking the near value black bodies. Near values of the black bodies we are recognized. Let me write the examples of the sum of the black bodies. Let me write that one. Very small one is there. So one is the lamp black. Some of the examples of the black body. So if the absorptive power is the A is equal to 1 means what is the percentage in percentage absorptive power?
100%.
100% is there. 100% absorptive power is there. Now I am taking the first one, lamp black. Lamp black is the one of the black body can be taken. The absorptive power in the percentage means this value is equal to 96% absorption is there. Absorption is there. So if you take the another one, platinum black, it is the platinum black is there. So this is also one of the black body will come. These the absorbing power of this body is equal to 98% absorption power is there. So we don't having the 100% black body which is not available in the nature. It is the ideal condition we are taking. This is the ideal condition of the black body. We did not recognize any body which is having 100% absorptive power of the body. That is the thing. So let me close here. It is the time nearly 4:30, more than 4:30. Let me close here.